We are here. We are here. We are here. One is amazing day. Okay, everyone. This is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Disclaimer: I am not a professional. Please watch these videos at your own risk. These videos are for entertainment purposes only. Thank you. Okay, guys, we are marking up TM. Let's take a look at what's going on in the market. We are on a monthly time frame. Overall structure is in that uptrend. Let's head over to price. See what's going on. Okay, so what we have here is price action, last active candle in the market, bullish candle. So we did that. We did get the engulfment of the previous area it came from, of that support right here. And so that market pushed up. So price action highs is where the price action highest wick of that candle is. So we'll be waiting for price to break this area here, go further up. Price comes down. We're looking for price tag this low here. That's the midpoint. Price breaks the midpoint. We know we headed back down to the next level. Let's see what we see a structure. We see a double bottom. First leg coming down in red, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest. Market pushed up once, retest, market pushed up twice, retest, market pushed up 3 times, retest, market pushed up 4. So overall cap, 4 pushes to the top. This area here would be, it should be a pattern forming in this area. So let's see what we see. So coming with the red candle down, first leg, second leg, market pushed up in white, market coming back down to third, market pushes up to that fourth. So we got that double bottom structure market coming from, and then market pushed up. So that means what we're looking for is the break and retest of this area, or the market's going to keep on pushing up. So let's see if we can identify that in the market. Okay, so weekly time frame, we got the engulfing pattern, bullish. We got the engulfment of the previous area here. So market just pushed up. We got to figure out what's going to happen next. Is it going to consolidate? Is it going to consolidate sideways? Is it going to be a single top, come back down to retest, break down further for a retest, break down to the next level? Or is it going to retest back down to the bottom and shoot back up for that break and retest, new high? Headed down to the daily time frame. Monthly, daily, identifying the same thing. Market coming from that huge area of consolidation. Look at that push up with one candle still. Monthly, weekly, daily, and now in the 4 hour we have to get a closer look at the market. Second last candle now is the bullish candle. Price action candle is now doji. Let's read what's going on in the market. The market stopped at the area of resistance, finally broke, came up to a high, retested that high, so you got to figure out what's going on. So far, market, I think this pattern is called the evening star, if I remember right. So as market pushing up high, market came back down to retest at that same, or retest that same area, that high. Now we got to figure out if we're going to get a engulfing pattern that's going to engulf the doji to push that market down. Is it going to engulf the top side to push that market up? Or is it going to consolidate to work its way sideways until we finally get the breakout or the breakdown? Headed down to 3, we have market pushed up, we have a retest, and now we starting to form that bearish candle. If this bearish candle is engulfed the second to last candle, this market can be working its way back down for the retest. We got to figure out what's going to happen down at the bottom once market price get down there. Headed down to the 2. 3, 2, same. It's got an extension of a push of an extra candle on the 2. Headed down to the 1. Now we can see Market's drawing something out at that high area. So let's take a look at what's going on and try to figure it out. What we have is we still have that same area, that break and retest. So market pushed up once, came back to retest side by side, retested again, retested again, retested again. So market pushed up once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, and it's just riding at top of that area of resistance. Also, third to last candle is a leg. So what happened was this third to last candle price tried to close out here, wasn't able to, and then closing up here, leaving a long wick, may be an area of support for that break and retest for that market to go up further. Maybe, maybe not. Still gotta wait for market to do what it do for that structure to happen. Headed down to the 45. And now we look like we're getting that engulfing. Market didn't close out yet, but then once the market closes out on this 45 minute time frame, we still have to get up at least 2 candles after this has to engulf the 1, 2, third and fourth to last candle to close out for the market to push down further. Headed down to the 30. You can see that structure starting to form with that consolidation. Market pushed up, came back down, pushed up again, came back down, pushed back up, consolidated. So about 3 pushes to the top so far. Market showing an engulfing pattern, did not close out yet for that market to close down. So we're still reading the same thing, 45 and 30. Still need about 2 more candles to form to push that market down. 15 still have to engulf the previous area that market pushed down. But we got something going on here on the 5 minute. Take a little closer look. So we look like we did get a type of double top here. Market spiked up once, came back down. Market spiked up twice, came back down. So this is a retest, retest. Market pushed down, retest. Market pushed down, retest. Market pushed down, retest. So we can see market did a double top, multiple retests, 1, 2, 3, and then we got that decline of that market retesting. So market's like is in a downtrend. Just gotta wait until we gotta still get a clear engulfing. Right now, price actions of doji, second to last candles of doji, still not enough confirmation to show that we got the engulfment pushing down. We need to see a big red candle that's gonna close below price action, probably the second to last candle for that market to push down. Right now, price is just consolidating on dojis. So we need that engulfing pattern to move that market. We can slightly see that downturn that market is in. So market from the 5 minute and the 3 minutes read the same thing. Market just working its way down. Still need that engulfing pattern to close that market out. See that market gonna push past this area here. Headed down to the 1 minute. The market ran into an area of support. Don't know how much this is really respected. Think about price action lows. Has to break this level here for it to drop down lower. Price action highs would be here. So this is the range that the market could be in. If we get an engulfing pattern to the third to last candle, this market can be pushing up. If not, that market's going to break that area and come down. So we got to see how far price is going to make it. So price action highs, lowest, low. Put the midpoint in the middle. See if price is going to make it past the mid. If it does, we're looking for the break and retest. If it doesn't, we look for that market to drop back down. Okay, guys, very important information. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet. When the market, that area is of a low, and we see a pattern like the bullish inverted, head and shoulders, that's market spiking down once, twice, 3 times. The left shoulder and the right shoulder is a little more elevated than the midpoint, which is the head, and that the market turns around to go up. Very important information, guys. Please study and review breakout retest strategy on images. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. TM Stock.